Edfu Temple is one of the most striking and complete of ancient Egyptian temples and dedicated to the god Horus. In the western bank of the Nile, its construction began during the reign of Ptolemy IV in 237 BC, but was completed in the reign of Ptolemy XII in 57 BC, 108 years later. The temple is fronted by two massive pylons that bear scenes of Ptolemy XII conquering his enemy and worshipping deities. Two large granite statues of the falcon god Horus stand before the pylons. On through the pylons to a large peristyle court lined with columns decorated with floral capitals. Beyond this court are two hypostyle halls. The first illustrates the temple's foundation with the king engaged in worship. The second holds chants of Horus' journey in a sacred bark accompanied by the goddess Hathor. From the second hypostyle hall in the transverse hall, then the sanctuary of the temple.